how to use Flybuys Rewards in the Flybuys app. Welcome to this guide on how to use Flybuys Rewards in the Flybuys app. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to browse, redeem, and make the most of your Flybuys points. Start by opening the Flybuys app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available in both the App Store and Google Play. Once you're in the app, tap on the Rewards tab at the bottom of the screen. This section will show you all available offers and rewards you can redeem with your points. Browse the list of rewards or use the search bar to find something specific. You can explore different categories like shopping, travel, gift cards, and more. When you find a reward you are interested in, tap on it. This will display the number of points required and all the details about the reward. To redeem, simply tap Redeem or Use Points. Then confirm your selection. Some rewards will be delivered straight to your email or available instantly within the app. Once redeemed, follow the instructions provided. If it's a gift card or voucher, you'll get a barcode or code to use at checkout, either in-store or online. You can track all your redemptions by going to your profile or checking the My Activity section. This helps you stay organized and keep tabs on your rewards history. Here are a few tips. Link your Flybuys account to partner stores to earn more points. Redeem during special promotions to get more value. And don't forget to check expiry dates on your rewards to avoid losing them.